There is a type 2 problem. The problem says a square plate of 40 mm sides rests on HP such that one of its diagonal is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and 45 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. So what is given is the first thing what we have to draw. We have to draw a square plate of 40 mm sides. So first we will draw the XY line. This is the XY line. Then we have to draw a square plate of 40 mm sides. 40, 90 degrees, 40, 90 into 2, 40, 90 into 3. So here we have a square lamina of 40 mm sides. Now it says a square plate of 40 mm sides rests on HP such that one of its diagonals is inclined to 30 degrees. So one of its diagonal is inclined to 30 degrees, which means it doesn't say at which position it's resting. But if you see the third position of this figure, it says that the diagonal is inclined to 30 degrees, which means the first position is resting on its diagonal. So we will rotate it to its diagonal. That is, rotate, turn off the copy, rotate to, when you see a parallel line, just click. So here we have rotated it. Just place it below the XY line. Change the width to 0.5. That's it. Now we have to name it. For naming, let this be A. Let me make it more. This be A. Let this be B. Let this be C. And this will D. So now we have our square lamina. We will just draw the projections of it. 0.3. This one is the diagonal. Okay, so we're done now. Now we will take another line of 0.5 mm. Drawing the second position. When you see the intersection marks, click. So here we have the second position. Now we will trim off the unwanted lines over here. Now we will name it. This is C dash. B dash and D dash. This one is A dash. So here we are looking from downwards, like we can see B but we can't see D. So that's why B dash and D, since we can't see D, it is in the brackets. Take the line. Now it's given that such that one of its diagonal is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. It means that in third position, it's given that the diagonal at which it's resting is inclined to 30 degrees. So we know that this line is inclined here at 30 degrees. So what we will do is, either you can draw another line, or you can just copy it. Suppose, move, turn on the copy, click here, place it anywhere on the line. Right click. Now you have it selected. Just click here, rotate, click the fixed point, and now click the point about which you have to rotate. Now enter the angle. It's given 30 degrees. Click. So you've got the third position over here. Now what you have to do is again take the line, change it to 0.13. Draw the projections vertically downwards. So got the lines. So just increase the width of the to 0.5. Now see, this one is D and D. So this point will be D. Starting from D, we'll go to A. This one is A. So this point will be A. Now we'll go to B. This is B and this is B. So B will be here. B. Now C. Similarly, again back to B. So this is our fourth position. We will name it. For naming, you don't have to name it again. What you have to do is just select this previous naming, press Ctrl and drag it like this. Leave. Again, select, press Ctrl, drag it, leave. Select, press Ctrl, and while pressing Ctrl, you have to drag it. Just leave. This way you can do it much faster. Just remove the unnecessary lines from here. Okay, so it's done. Now we have to draw the next. So it's given that the plane is inclined 45 degree to VP. It is inclined about its diagonal. So it means whenever a plane figure is inclined to its diagonal, median, or something like that, that is beta angle problem. So here we have to first determine its beta angle. So first it is given it is inclined to 45 degrees. Sorry. First we will draw a line 45 degrees from here. Tab. 45. Now we have a 45 degrees line. Just mark this line's angle. This is 45 degrees. Now we have to draw the beta angle. For drawing the beta angle, we will take the actual length, that is this. This is the true length. It is 56.569. So we'll take tangent arc by a center point. Just choose any point from this line. Let us take this point here. Choose 56.569 as the radius. Cut an arc. Choose a line. From the arc, draw a straight line until get the intersection point. Okay. 0 degrees. Okay. Now we will have to take the apparent length, that is this one, suppose. I've drawn a line again so that I can measure the length. This. Okay, so it is 48.99. We'll take the same tangent arc by center point. So it was 48.99 as you can see. From the same point, take a radius of 48.99. Click OK. Cut an arc. This you've got. Take the line 0.3 mm from the same point to the intersection point. Draw a line. We have to extend that. Extend to next. Click on the line. You've got the beta angle line. Let's check the angle. So the angle is 55 degrees. So the beta angle is 55 degrees. So you have to rest this figure on its diagonal about this line. So what you can do is, you don't have to draw it again, just copy it. Select move, turn on copy if it's not on, select a point about which you have to copy. So I will place it along about the A point, you can place it anywhere about C also. So I take this point as, that's it. Right click, then just rotate, take the points, this, place it anywhere here, like this. So I've got this placed at the beta angle. Now I have to draw the projections vertically upwards. Squeeze the width of the line. So starting from D, this is a point D. So D, after D it's A. So A and A, here, A. After A it's B. So B and B it's here. Then C, C and C it's here. Just don't click until you see your intersection point. And then again we have D, so it is here. This completes our problem. Just name it. For naming, you can copy these. For A, we don't have to write it again. So point A is here. Click, press Ctrl, move. A is here. For C is here. C dash. For B dash, I'll just move this and change out afterwards. So B and D are here, so place one here and the other one here. This one is B, so I'll change it. B dash. And this one is D, so I'll change it as D dash. So this completes our problem.